Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your very old wig into a brand new one. Like into a brand new one. When I say a brand new one, like I mean it, guys. So yeah, if you want to see the outcome of this wig, this my old wig, yeah, keep on watching. So my lovelies, I'm going to go ahead and brush out this wig a little bit and untangle it by using Mazuri Shea Butter Naturals. So I'm doing that by using this their products, one of their products. This is Untangle Detangling Spray. So I'm going to spray a little bit on it, and I'm going to take my time and brush it out.
Constantly, no, I won't make a sound. I love the pain, it sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth.
So my lovelies, I'm going to go ahead and apply this oil moisturizer by Soft and Free. I'm going to distribute it on this hair, and I'm going to take my time and comb it well.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, said.
So after that, I want to go ahead and apply this Lotta Body hair setting spray. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit on this hair, and I'm going to give it another good comb. My lovelies, the last product I'm going to add on this wig will be argan oil, and I'm going to add a little bit on my palm, and I'm going to distribute it on this hair, and I'm going to give it a good comb.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain, it sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground.
So after that, I'm going to go ahead and roll this hair, but don't worry, I will be showing you all how I roll this hair. The video will be coming up soon. I don't want this video to be too long, so you will be seeing the video next. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So guys, this is like after a few days because I want to wait on my birthday, so I left it for like a few days, so like 3 to 4 days. So the more you leave the curls, like the more you leave it like this, the more the curls, you know, is very strong and tight. So that's why. So I'm going to take it off. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth. So my lovelies, as you can see, I just used my fingertips to comb this hair. I wasn't using comb as this place is so imperative for you to know. Like, it's very important you don't use comb and comb the curls. If not, all the curls will just go away. So the next thing I did was to use the comb and just comb from the top bit of the hair. I'm not bringing it down. So when I get to the down, I just turn the comb and use the other side of the comb and start fixing the curls. You don't want to use your comb and, you know, spoil the curls you've made already. I just want to put that out there. So yeah, this is the final outcome. So let me know what you all think. Let me know if you like this tutorial. If you do, please give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. Bye, lovely. Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you